Hey, I'm Charlie Peterson, standing in front of my newest listing here at 2530 Country Squires Lane in Deland, Florida. This incredible property has a pool over 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3 detached garages, and no HOA, plus some unique zoning to it. And I'll get more into that here in just a second, but let's go ahead and take a tour. All right, so before I get too far into the property here, I just want to kind of point out the lot size here. So that's my truck over there, and there is a tree line just on the other side of the truck, and that will kind of follow the south lot line here. And then as we look this direction, you can see some crepe myrtles there in the distance, and that is going to be the north side of the lot line here. And then it's going to go back towards the tree lines behind that fence area. But as you can see, there's a nice circular driveway that is paved. And then you do have a paved walkway driveway up towards the back building, which there are 3 of those back buildings. But we're gonna go ahead and take a tour on the inside of the property here first. Excellent dormers, brick dormers. You got the fireplace there as well. Front patio, metal roof. Lots of space between neighbors. Standing here at the front porch area. Got neighbors way over there, but very quiet. Private street that is a dead-end street, so you don't have a lot of through traffic. And you're off of McGregor Road. So I'm gonna talk a little bit more about location in just a second. But walking in here, you're gonna notice updated LVP flooring, newer paint, updated light fixtures all the way throughout. And this front foyer area just is a great welcoming feel, tall ceilings there. Coming into the living room, you've got the wood burning fireplace, stone mantle, wood mantle with a stone backsplash there. Dining room, again, updated light fixtures there, granite countertops here in the kitchen, stone backsplash, updated stainless steel appliances. There is a standard 2-car garage attached to the home. This is going to be the hall bath here, the unique stone shower there, updated vanity area. And then this is going to be a little bit of a hybrid room. You can use this as storage, but you've got laundry, and then your pool access as well. So any guests coming over or yourself need to use the bathroom, you come in through the pool bath door, and you've got your bathroom right here. So this is the second full bath here, downstairs. There's another full bath upstairs. You've got 2 bedrooms, generously sized rooms, kind of mirror each other on each side here at the end of the hallway. You've got 2 bedrooms downstairs, 1 bathroom. Of course, living, dining, kitchen. And then we're gonna head upstairs. All right, quick interruption before we get to the rest of the video here. If you're considering moving to their area or you would love to know a little bit more about this particular home, please give me a call here at the phone number on the screen or an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Here you're gonna find the master bedroom. Lots of great light. It's one of the dormers right there. LVP flooring throughout. All right, so coming in here, you got the ensuite bathroom. Double vanities, large soaking tub, shower, 2 walk-in closets. And then we've got 1 more bedroom, and this bedroom has a massive, massive closet. I mean, you could use it for possibly even a game room, but this room is huge, about the same size as the master bedroom. It does have that dormer window right there as well. But check out this room. This portion was an enclosed attic space area, so you could use it as a closet, but I mean, really, you could even put a game room or flex room in there too. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, so coming out here to the pool, you do have a bit of a covered lanai here, just off of the kitchen window, which is right here, and then a massive pool. This is a little bit deeper than normal here on the deep end for modern pools, and you got a great sun shelf over here. Nice privacy shrubs with the sweet viburnum, both sides. And then we're gonna get into those big back buildings here. But This pool is a saltwater pool and has an electric water heater for it. So you got an electric heater for the entire pool. All right, now let's get back here. So again, when I was in the front there, I was kind of pointing out this paved pathway all the way up here. It does turn into some asphalt millings here towards the beginning of the fence line, but we're just gonna squeeze in over here. You're on well and septic out here, so you don't have to tie into city sewer, city water. And it is also Volusia County zoning. So heading out here, massive shop. Big roll-up door here, big roll-up door over there. You've got another shop space back here. Plenty of storage. If you've got toys, if you've got maybe a small business you run out of warehouse space, I mean, this could be a great fit for you. And look at that space. Big roll-up door. And then you've got the asphalt millings coming through here and out towards the front. Now, part of the zoning here in this area is it is rural agricultural estate. And that gives you a slight commercial use to the property. So depending on what kind of operation, what kind of use you would have, you may be able to get away with a little bit more than you would think for a typical residential area, because you are in unincorporated West Volusia County with rural agricultural estate zoning. Again, there's that well. And then this shop building is literally brand new here in 2025. So great space here, side entry door, concrete slab, phenomenal. HVAC and water heater are both 2016 and 2017. Again, septic and well. Salt cell, electric water heater, and your pump. All right, let's talk about location really quick. So this property is located just off of I-4, off of McGregor Road. You're literally probably 4 or 5 minutes to I-4 off of Orange Camp. And then you're about 30 minutes north of downtown Orlando with no traffic. It can go up from there. Obviously, we all know our traffic and it can get there. Now you're about 35 minutes out to New Smyrna Beach, which is the locals' favorite. 10 minutes to downtown Deland, and that puts you about 10 minutes to the Stetson campus as well. So you've got a phenomenal location. Now, under 5 minutes away, literally probably 2 minutes away here, you've got a brand new Publix, you've got Aldi's, lots of shopping, anything that you can need there, and a new ER that is being built by HCA Hospitals, and just an incredible growing location where many of the properties along this stretch are going to be some of the higher price points. They can hold their value very well. No HOA, and large acreage parcels. So just a phenomenal location here. And if you're considering moving to the area, would love to help you out. Please give me a call at the phone number or an email at what is on here on the screen. We'll talk to you soon.